Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about A-Star Scholarship Agency for Science, Technology and Research. Here you can see that there are different categories of scholarship for undergraduate students, graduate students and postdoctoral students. We can take a look in different categories. So you can take a look at National Science Scholarship for PS to PhD here, and A-Stars Internship Scholarship, Singapore International Graduate Award, so every year their deadline is 1 March for that scholarship which we have here, National Science Scholarship BS to PhD, and we can see the eligibility here. So you should be a citizen of Singapore for this scholarship, okay? National Science Scholarship. Coverage is full tuition fee, monthly allowance, annual retained airfares, period studies allowance, research attachments. And you can know more about the application procedure here. Research areas which this scholarship is covering, almost every research area they are covering. So this is also for Singaporean A-Star Research Internship Award and Singapore International Pre-Graduate Award. We can take a look here. Open to international 3rd, 4th year undergraduate and master from overseas universities in STEM courses, and proficiency in written and spoken English. Coverages, they will provide awardee provided with following during their attachment in Singapore. Monthly stipend they will provide $2,000, and application procedure is application are processed on rolling basis year round. However, please note your intended attachment start should be at least 4 months from your date of application. So steps for application is view Singa project list, prepare the documents and submit the application. Then they will conduct online interview and provide the award outcomes. So here we have took a look at these coverages and scholarship for graduate studies, for masters, for PhD and A-Star graduate scholarship. For international students, these are for Singaporean, and these two for international students. Singapore International Graduate Scholarship, I had made the video for this scholarship, and this one another one which we just took a look at that. So there is eligibility is international PhD students with bachelor's degree and at least a second upper class hours as equivalent. Many may participate in this program. Coverage is they will provide monthly stipend, one-time airfare grant, one-time settling allowance, housing allowance, medical insurance, conference, IT allowance. So they are providing good amount of allowance. Application procedure is faculty and student interested ARAP contact A-star researchers listed under tab research areas. Interested students should undertake 1-2 year attachment A-star, a typical application procedure. So you need to find the supervisor and then apply for that scholarship. If you will have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I will respond to your queries. And if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.